So you have a laptop and you do various tasks on it, just like many people use it for professional work, socializing, gaming and video editing. But there emerged a new field of study in computer science, that is machine learning or deep learning, which requires computer hardware to handle compute intensive tasks. So in this video, I'll list down the laptops you can buy for machine learning in 2020. Here you go. Maybe I've missed out some of the other good laptops. You can write these in the comment section so your fellow viewers have more better options to consider. By the way, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.